customer wrote in that she was having trouble welding enamel chains, whereas she had no trouble with other chains and was wondering what the problem was, until we discovered that she was clipping her ground onto the bead itself, which insulates the metal and stops the electricity from being conducted. So I'm going to show you this. See, doesn't work. Whereas if I hold it onto the metal part, so that was what she was doing. And I'm going to demonstrate it further with something bigger. For example, if no ground, with ground, but if you clip it onto some plastic, it insulates the metal. When you clamp onto the bead, nothing happens. When you clamp onto the jump ring, like this, there you go. It welds. Do not clamp onto an enamel bead. It insulates your metal. I hope you enjoyed that. And if you did, please like and subscribe and tell me where you are viewing from.